NASA's Armstrong Flight Research Center and the Flight Test Museum Foundation are launching the 2025 Junior Test Pilot School, a 6-week summer program designed to inspire elementary-age students in STEM fields. Held at Blackbird Air Park and Joe Davies Heritage Air Park in Palmdale, California, from June 16th to July 25th, the program offers hands-on experiences where students act as test pilots and engineers. Participants engage with legendary aircraft such as the A-12, State Route 71, U-2F, 86 Sabre, and NASA's Boeing 747 Space Shuttle carrier aircraft. The curriculum, developed by NASA, covers 8 core modules including flight principles, stealth engineering, and jet engine systems, alongside immersive activities and direct interaction with aerospace professionals. A special wildfire design challenge encourages students to design aerial vehicles to combat wildfires. Supported by industry leaders like Lockheed Martin and Northrop Grumman, the program aims to foster STEM interest and career awareness during the critical academic window before 5th grade, preparing the next generation of aerospace innovators in the Antelope Valley region. Thank you for watching. Stay updated by following our Facebook and WhatsApp channels for the latest news. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily updates.